All right, so I just want to show you one of the things when you get a liquid up in your tire area. Now, it's a liquid, but it actually solidifies, so it looks more like dried up oil. It's not oil. There's a number of things I went to on the internet that said it's oil, it's radiator fluid. It's none of those things. Basically what it means is your boot has busted, so the grease from the boot is leaking inside the wheel. So if we come here, just gotta get a little bit of that. You know what? Nothing does better than a finger. So that's what it looks like. But that is grease from the boot, which is behind the rotor and your brakes here. That's exactly what that is. Now on the flip side of that, now you know what it is. It's just a boot that needs to be replaced. 2016 Audi, 65,000 miles. This is why I'll never buy another one, and this is probably why you shouldn't need it. 65,000 miles there again. Vehicle was purchased brand new by me, January 1st, 2016. Boots are already busted. Now I want to show you on the flip side of that. Audi of Charlotte may not be a place you want to go to. Here's the reason why. So if I come here, I can show you the receipt that they gave me, and the amount that they charged for the vehicle or the repair was $1,024.58, taxes and everything, $1,114.95. So also, if you look here as well, you'll see some additional charges, like the charge there for $15 and labor $800. Now for all of you that know, and there again, Audi of Charlotte, for all of you that know about repairing boots on the car, it's a job realistically that may have only taken an hour. Here's the reason why I said it may have only taken an hour, just in case you're saying it took an hour and a half, 2 hours. I took the vehicle in, I got it back. Well, I'm bringing you this video because it's behind the wheel again. Simply meaning the date on this, which is pretty irrelevant. You zoom in, you'll be able to see that, which was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Back to having the same problem I once was. Audi of Charlotte, think twice before you buy a car. Think twice before you get your car repaired there. And if you do have a liquid or film on the inside of your wheel, not any of those fluids, it's the grease from your boot. So these boots that I'm talking about, I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when I took them off, I had them boxed up. So you can see here inside the box. One for the left side, one for the right side, driver's side, passenger side. They're right in behind the tire here. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a closer shot so you can get in and see them in action as they're on the vehicle. And this is generally what happens. So this is where the boot itself separates and of course causes the grease. Now if you look closely, I'm going to walk you in. You can see the grease right on the inside. Kind of looks like mud there. But that grease leaks on the inside of your wheel, which is how you know you've got a boot issue and you've got to replace your boot. Right inside the boot, you'll have the axle. The grease that I refer to as mud is what keeps the axles lubricated. And all of that is right inside of your wheel. And to show you exactly what that looks like, so if you look right inside, looks very similar, doesn't it? So that's the boot, which is in action, and that's what needs to be replaced. If you do see the film built up, you can see the magnets there, or the weights, which helps sway your wheels in balancing, but all that area would be coated in this substance I call mud, which is basically a grease in your boot. All of that would be coated on the inside of your tire, and that's how you know when you have a boot issue and it's time to have your boots replaced. And there again, looks like oil, doesn't it? In person, it looks more like mud. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this helps you, especially after you purchase your automobile and you look to service your automobile.